I've decided to go ahead and glue one of these Marquetry designs. And I've got the hot hide glue here. It's pretty liquid, but I think it'll be okay. And I'm just gonna apply it without disturbing, hopefully, trying to get this all down, matted, and the glue fills up a lot of the saw kerf areas. Oops. Yeah, I just want to really pour the glue on there practically. And it's stuck on my finger, and I have to use a tool here to get this flower back in here. Let me get this one. Okay. Yeah, I think I got that back. Let me see if I can keep going here. I have to be careful lifting the brush, because when I lift the brush, it tends to want to pull up the little pieces. Yeah, that's working better. Now that's got to get down in the groove. Oops. Get this back down in there. I can use scraper blades to knock off this glue on the surface. Also, there's a toothed plane that I can use. I'm just adding more glue to make sure that the saw kerfs are full up. And hopefully that glue kind of seeps in to the underside. I'm just going to rub my finger over this, pushing down. Kind of pumps the liquid, maybe to help glue it on the lower face. Yeah, that looks pretty good. It's a little gap showing there, a little gap showing there. The hardest part of sawing this was the outer black ebony border. And I got it thinner and fatter in spots, and some There's some gaps in there actually, so I'm hoping the glue will somewhat take care of that. Okay, I'll do another video on scraping that off.